Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for y'all. I went to a different Dollar Tree this weekend and I found some things that I hadn't seen at my regular Dollar Tree, so I wanted to share them with you. The first things I'd never seen at the Dollar Tree before, and so I got me one package because I've been needing some. It's a 6-pack of children's hangers, and my daughters have been needing more hangers, so I got that. The next thing I got, my cat's playing with my Dollar Tree haul over here. The next thing I got, I had seen somebody haul these, but I had never seen them at a Dollar Tree, and they're so cool. The first one I got is butterflies. So it's a stencil that has like a wheel on it. So there's butterflies, there's more butterflies, different butterflies. This one's all butterflies. I thought that was really neat. And we're going to be studying butterflies soon in school, so I got that so my daughters could do some cute art projects. The next one I got is really cute for Valentine's Day. This one right here says Kiss, and then you wheel around, and this one says Love with a Cupid's heart through it, and this one's just a heart. And then this one says XOXO with a heart. This one's a lock and a key, like your key to my heart, and this was just a heart. I thought that one was really neat. And then this next one I got, my children love dolphins, and so there's a dolphin on here. So I got that mainly for that. But there's an anchor as well, and then some palm trees and birds, and a lobster, and a sailboat. But when I saw this was the kicker. My kitchen and living room, and obviously, as you can see here, is decorated in lighthouses. So I thought that would be a cute little, I could do a cute little art project to decorate those rooms with when I saw the lighthouse. And then I got a 20-pack of these pink lunch napkins for a DIY that I'm going to be doing, that I just needed a filler for a cup that you could kind of see through. So I got those, and then I got 2 more packages of these because we've been using these every day for our regular napkins, and so I was needing those. And then they have their spring stuff out already, and our pool, we have lots of pots. And last year we spent a lot of money buying flowers for these pots, and then at the end of the year they all died because they're all the annuals, I guess is what they call them, where they die every year. You have to buy new ones or whatever. So I decided this year we would try to grow our own, save a little bit of money. And so I found several boxes, and I'll show you them. But as you can see, they're marked $2.99, but they're at the Dollar Tree, so obviously they were $1. And these are semi-dwarf, I don't know how to say that word, Pamela mixed colors, and they're zinnias. So I got a box of those. And then I got a box of these, the Wildflower Blend, bird and butterflies. So I love having butterflies around my pool, so I got these. They're really pretty colors. And this is another Wildflower Blend. This says they all say put in sunny areas, and I have no shade around my pool. And I have several pots, so they get sun here in Texas, like hard sun. So I wanted some flowers that could be in the sun, obviously, all the time except for at night. And so this says Wildflower Blend sunny area. So I got a box of those. And then Impatiens, I guess, mixed colors. And then there's that box. So I got those 4, and I'll try it. I don't know if I can grow my own flowers, but we'll try. And then also around my pool, there's lots of rocks and stuff. And there's like rocked paths and stuff. And so I wanted some cute rocks to go around it. So I got two little cute rocks that they have now at the Dollar Tree. This one says, Love My Garden. And this next one says, Sunshine, laughter, and friends are always welcome. I really like that one. So I got those for my garden. And then two other things that I got for my garden. In those potted plants, I stick something from the Dollar Tree. And last year I got a whole bunch of these. But I also got some that spun last year, and they're all torn up because of the wind. So I wanted to replace those two. So I got this one to replace one of them. And then this one to replace the other one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cute. It's got little marbles in it. And it's a, sorry, I have ants over here. Let me show you. They're catching my eye. For school, we've been studying insects. And so I have an anthill on my school table here. And they're making their own little tunnels, as you can see. But if you look up close, they're very, very busy ants. And so every few minutes out of the corner of my eye, I see them doing something really funny. And I'm like, oh my goodness, the ants are doing it. The ants are up to something. Okay, another thing I got is some more of these heart picks, because I've used all the ones I got before. And I needed a couple more for a project that I'm doing that I'll be showing y'all soon. And then, getting ready for spring, I thought these were really pretty. They're white roses, and I got 5 of these white rose picks. And I'm going to be using some of these for wreaths and some of these for Valentine's decoration. And then when Valentine's is over, I'm going to be moving those same ones over to my spring decor. And for some of my spring decor, I got, don't fall, I got these two cute galvanized planters. They say flowers and garden on them, and you can see they're two different sizes. And then I got 2 packages of rocks that are down in there so that I can put them in the bottom to weight them so they don't fall over. So I got those. And then I got 2 packages of this Spanish moss that's going to go in there as well. And then these flowers that I just showed you will go down in there as well. So you'll kind of see what that'll look like. 2 packages of these butterfly stickers, because we're going to be studying butterflies when we get to B is for butterfly, with my daughter who's in kindergarten. And so I got 2 packages of those, one for each one of my daughters. The ants over here, insects was eyes for insects, in case you're wondering. So when we study B is for butterfly, I got these so we could make like a little collage for school. And I thought they were really neat. I don't know if you could tell, but they're like 3D butterflies. They stick up. So they look really cool. We went to a butterfly garden the other day, and they had pinups of dead butterflies of all over Texas, of the different butterflies you see in different areas. And my daughters were just fascinated with them. They were like, those are so neat. So I thought they would really like those. And then I got some more pyralines, or pyrline, or however you want to say it. I don't know how you say it, honestly. I say pyralines. At Christmas, we gave a ton of these away as gifts that were the hazelnut. But I saw that they have dark chocolate now, and I got some, and they're very delicious. I like the dark chocolate better than like the hazelnut. I know. Don't ever say you don't like hazelnut. But anyways, and then I got some of this floral foam, and it comes in a 2-pack that I'm going to be using down in there to keep the flowers to stay. They'll stick in the styrofoam. And then I got 4 of these heart wreaths forms. And I'm going to be doing a really neat DIY. And it's not going to be what you're thinking. So stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to see what I'm going to do with these 4 heart wreaths. And funny story. I was in the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting stuff on the conveyor belt, and the lady in front of me, she's talking to the cashier, and she's like, do you see who's behind me in the Dollar Tree? And the cashier kind of looks up and kind of looks over at me and cuts her eyes like she doesn't know what to say. And she goes, this is one of those crafty ladies. She said, you could tell just by what's in her basket that she's one of those crafty ladies. She probably has like a YouTube channel or something like that. And I was like, yeah, actually it is. And she's like, what are you going to be doing with all those? And I was like, well, you have to subscribe to find out. And they both just laughed or whatever. And I kind of showed them a few things I was going to do. And she's like, oh my goodness, in a million years I would never have come up with that idea. So I thought that was really funny. But just a cute story that I ran into that lady. But anyway, so that's the end of my Dollar Tree. So bye for now and stay tuned. I'll have a lot of these DIYs coming up shortly. Talk to you later.